One ruler, Jabr Zulim, became infamous for his brutality, particularly in the slaughter of countless Begum Muslims, marking a grim period in Islamic history. In this context, Nadir Shah emerged as a significant figure, invading India and executing a horrific massacre in Delhi, resulting in the deaths of thousands and widespread looting. The aftermath of Nadir Shah's invasion unveiled a chilling disregard for human life, with bodies unburied throughout the streets, serving as a grim reminder to the populace of Delhi. Meanwhile, Sultan Selim's ascent to power was marred by internal strife, including the assassination of his brother and clashes with rival factions, laying the groundwork for continued violence. The narrative highlights a pivotal battle on August 24, 1514 AD, where approximately 50,000 soldiers lost their lives, underscoring the staggering casualties of Sultan Selim's military campaigns. Sultan Selim's betrayal of those who surrendered under assurances of safety culminated in a massacre of 50,000 Muslims, illustrating the brutal essence of his regime. During Timur's invasion, the political landscape in India was characterized by instability, which he skillfully exploited to initiate his attacks, making the region a prime target for conquest. Timur's military campaigns were marked by ruthless assaults on various cities, including Damascus and territories of the Ottoman Sultanate, resulting in mass killings and widespread devastation. This devastation not only obliterated cities but also significantly altered the power dynamics within the regions he invaded, with Timur's legacy remembered for the terror and chaos he unleashed. The martyrdom of Hazrat Sa'id bin Jo signifies the grave consequences faced by those who defy tyrants in their quest for justice. His bravery in confronting death remains commendable. The narrative exposes the brutal tactics employed by rulers like Hajj, who perpetrated mass murders and atrocities against innocents, revealing the depths of human cruelty. Hajj's eventual suffering after his reign of terror serves as a poignant reminder that tyranny often breeds internal chaos and regret, highlighting the moral repercussions of one's actions. The orders issued by Yazid to martyr Imam Hussein epitomize his ruthless nature and blatant disregard for justice, reflecting the political tensions of that historical period. In the aftermath of this martyrdom, the disrespect shown to Imam Hussein's body, such as horses being tied to the slain, symbolized the profound brutality of Yazid's forces. Yazid's death just 3 years following Imam Hussein's martyrdom suggests a form of divine justice, with their deaths marking a profound moral dichotomy in historical narratives.